Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Style and Shine. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to review about the Mama Earth's face mask. So let me tell you first, it's not at all a sponsored product. I myself have purchased from Amazon for $3.99, but its actual price is $4.99 for 100 grams. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, as you know, I like skincare and I like to share with you guys as well. Like how was my experience? Today I'm going to review about the Mama Earths. I have tried the even before different masks, which I have provided the link in the description box, so you can go ahead and check those as well. As there is one DIY and the others are like some different brand face masks, so you can check out even those, because even those masks are also quite good, but I like to try different varieties of different brand face masks. So this is the another review which have came up, and I thought why not to share with you guys as well. Yeah so This is the Mama Earth Upton face mask. As you can see this box, it says that it contains the saffron, turmeric and apricot oil. Talking about this brand, this Mama Earth, the product brands are basically paraben free and they are totally natural, and it's silicone free. It is dermatologist tested, as they have written on the packaging as well, with bioactivities, and it also says that it's for the skin lightening and brightening. Skin lightening in the thing is that they wants to say is that it removes your tan, then the pigmentation as well, and it helps in uneven skin tones as well. And so coming to the product, basically you can apply in the summer. Like masking can be done on a regular basis on the summer, but in like weather like in rainy and the winter season, you can use it like twice in a week as well. Coming to this product, once you apply this product, you will find a very nice and cooling sensation on your face, and once you apply for about like 10 to 15 minutes, you will not find like a crackness on your skin. Basically, whenever you use any multani mitti or any skincare product, like any mask, you will, once it's dry, you can see some cracks on your face. But about this mask, it's not at all like that. You will still find your the face quite like the mask, you will still find a soft on your skin. Let me show you. This is how its packaging it's look like. Let me show you. So once you open it, you will get with this a nice tub with some application. It has an applicator as well, so you can apply it on your face with this applicator. So this is how its textures looks like. It's quite soft and buttery. It contains a list of the ingredients as well. Let me zoom you and show it. And it has such a good fragrance, guys. I'll tell you, once you apply it, you will, even after you wash it, you will still that fragrance will still remain on your skin. So this is like one of, I will definitely suggest you should give it a try. This is a very nice product. It helps in your tanning, pigmentation, and if you have uneven skin tone, it will definitely help you in that. So if you have a sunburn, or if your day was quite a hectic summery day, so you can use the product. So now let me tell you like when to use it and what precautions need to be taken. So you can use it, like I said, twice in a week. You can use it in the evening. Since it has glycolic acid, but if you are using in the morning or in the afternoon, make sure that you use tremendous amount of sunscreen after applying this, um, because what happens is that after using this product, it removes away your dead skin from the face, will be totally gone, and skin will become very soft and fresh, because it is always recommended by anyone. If you are using any mask which also exfoliates your skin, then it's highly recommend that you should have to use a tremendous amount of sunscreen if you are stepping out of the house. If not, it's totally upon you. So yeah guys, I highly recommend this to you. Buy this product because it helps in for the uneven skin tones, for the acne. It softens your skins. It helps in pigmentation. Yeah, so for all this reason, I am telling you that you can buy this product. And one more thing I want to tell you is that whenever you use any product, don't be hurry that you will get results quite easier. For any product, if you use, you need to be patient enough to it, to give it about like at least 2 months. So like now what I have said, it removes your acne and pigmentation. It's not that it will immediately remove it in another next day. You need to be wait for it patiently. So yeah guys, so this was all about it. If you find any points that I have not been covered, I will be more happier to answer your questions. So you can go ahead and please do question me in a comment section. I will be answering over there. So yeah guys, it's time to say bye, and always stay style and shine.